viewers.
Welcome back to another episode of Teen Time Talk with Zwing.
He's the guest, and I'm your host, BorokTV. So, not you.
Siya Borok.
Not you. The boya. Takchini. You know one of the most famous rapper, Zwing.
What's up? What's up? What's good? What's good?
Takchini pun interview na ini. Thank you for coming.
Welcome, Sabo.
Awak sini jika talk show ni logo ta.
I'm glad to be here.
Okay, nunggu ni. Oh, the career ni career. Oh, mana nunggu suruh kan? Mana ni Borok inspiration kayak mana ni? Bolo tori, mana? Okay,
Okay. Long story, but I'll make it short. I'm Saint Paul School of Borok, so I would like Saint Paul School. I'm product of Saint Paul School. Polite, proud to be a Saint Paul's polite. Gay tam ka afro, angto student by average. Jeng tam klay, jeng last bench to tong dos. Somewhere no like every hour. Gay jeng free hour mah kami no, the sub line nai. Gay hani friends rock like desk code top datang ya dah. Gay anak gay sub line dong. Gay ang afro ang tong tabung loge. Gay hip hop to kari kon afro to rap sin. Gay salsa hani tol tong short to zitri ani. Bo Eminem ni kaisa CD anu review. Gaya from game tu, ang game atau mana di record itu nggak gaya.
No, yeah.
Multiplayer.
So,
gaya aku record ni sound mute play or song mana, kena itu memang ada Eminem gaya ang belai. Wah, tang baik lah ya. So fantasize nggak ada bo, kok basic tunggu. Do gaya ang belai.
Inspire kayak kita ni, spark.
Yeah, very much. Gaya ang kelas so I started freestyling. Borok next time gaya, rap you freestyle you kok borok by English mix. I was whack. When I starting from ekdom zero.
Start from zero to.
Yeah, so it all started from there.
Yeah.
So that was 2005, 2006, 2005, 2006, and I freestyle in the start again.
Okay.
So that's all. It started from there, and then because I gap on I went Shillong. Then music to asing because all of my friends are the music player. So music terika kasaro mostly, but I used to listen to music. Mostly Afro, Michael M. Cylon tong guys.
Mizo, he's a rapper. But RIP to him, he's no more with us.
Rest in peace.
Yes, in peace, brother.
So, binir samu ang knakan. Yeah, after that, guy, salsa ang very tong fluan friend niro, borkung rangkol ni, track I said play do when I'm all alone. Okay, we saw do, buat Tripurani, he saw Tripurani, masa record tunggu, okay, ang bisa skemali ada Tripurani, mana he is so good at what he's doing, okay. Are, bo Tripurani, ang bo Tripurani, bo kreman, ang kita claim niya. Then I started like, ang bekabis nga po once tong. Then 2010 I came Bangalore. After that, ang practice like sak no. Then I built my own home studio type. Yeah, I don't know, and practice like. So it took me a lot of time. Now it's 2017, so I've come a long way.
Yeah, that's true. But ni career high pun ka, kaisa gan bo boss romo enggak?
I think last year then from So mostly that was last year Borok bars last year summer I think last year no Borok bars it's released like I called Monojit from BorokTV bo second how I know Monojit is also like coincident like Tam Khan guy I was in classroom though, suddenly like I'm doing my MBA, after an MBA, like on Bangalore. Guy then message is on Monojit. I don't know who he is. Guy was how we want to feature your song on our BorokTV channel. So guy I need to open platform correct. I'm just doing my own. I'm YouTuber. That's how I was doing. Guy then I said fine. Guy anyway I'm getting a platform. So I said go ahead. Guy BorokTV to again kisa followers mo unlike kas kering I used to rap in English then yeah English was rap player okay yeah I used to be whack and saya ta ringyan I'm not good at rapping in English still I do try but gam naklen Monojit ngko khlagan kay ang salsa record play dong pro ang bono kaisa Borok bars actually abo original song ya abo cover si kaisa remix si Mick Mill ni who kill them so what happened was ang beat man kadong then I wanted to influence it with Borok bo influence klay and klanam song
Mix. Kaisa ta sini Borok ba?
Ang verse kaisa say ang Monojit no ri kado. First verse only abo full complete ya. Sila ko ang zora na ang ri ko do. There's one language sila ko. Kaya ang bon ri ko kaya bosa. This song is good. It can do good. So Gaya right second verse itu. Gaya second verse suai kesaro. Ara pun hook gerik. Do. Just verse cuma zero. Bridge saya temu kesaro. And just sama.
Verse ni orang.
Gaya mau riro kan. Gaya he said like let's do a video. Then he helped me out with video. We had some friends come over for the video shoot and we uploaded the video. Gaya all video money like people understood that hip hop because Tripura what people understand is like hip hop is mostly well influenced with Bollywood back then.
Yeah.
Because internet also Greek was tax zero.
Download. Just few years before say as a net experience it was not there. Nan kuno was correct.
Correct.
That was correct. That thing doesn't do the
Yeah. So it's a release karika. After that, people start sending me like bersama marah. Tam bersama baksa kayak confusion nang so. Sometimes I go through the comments and like, tam bersama mau, mandu mukra zoom ni, mukra what the hell is this? So I was like, buji aku tahu. Zoom ni, amu mau kaisa because hip hop is all about playing chords. Zaman guitarist kayak, bawa gitar tamu sama.
Swing by
tenggo. Rappers orang artis kok besi tengah. So kok by tenggai mana? Angkok saya cuma alada metafor ngomong saya cuma alada buji lima. Ya aku buji aku. So I think it'll take
straight what na mana koi to what double meaning what mo hai ego type sawan to happen buji ma tell the same sort of ma buji na.
So it'll take some more time for us to accept
by the
so
by the audience in Tripura.
That's how Borok Bars came into play and that's how
Nggak, jadi nonton kayak kok senang sudah.
Senang kok kasih senang sun. Nunggu front sih anchoring kan.
Ang balik oh, sini mayor sini sama owner sini Mr. Monojit oh Grace by.
Tam nunggu nama silakan.
Nung kayaknya bisa import outfit ini apa? Nung kayaknya ini tidak so.
Balai kan boy. Yeah, for getting here. Thanks.
Your rap song career is quite shining now.
Tripura industry is not even there, man. To be frank, Tripura industry is great. Like if we look into it, kisah saga kanan nak soklari wa, ano ini kaisa lyrics tomu. Ani again, started from the bottom kaisa remix lagi ya, aron so. Kisah saga kanan soklari tomu. We try to go up. So the.
Ini kota kan lyrics, kind of they're straight to the face.
Thanks, man. Thanks.
Straight to the face.
Thanks.
I like that.
Yeah.
Kita kunto Tripura ni connection sih tamu. So mungkin ini opinion ini view na masuk tak current situation tu Tripura.
Acha Tripura tu onek situation. What situation kok saya tu kan buji aku gitu.
Situation tu bak sini unta hello bombar no asal mau kaiso level ni. Itu government tu 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 mana? Cik bombar no tu.
Aku tu tangzak lain no aku cang play but cang stop play only the only thing we can do is cang go play along but play along like Borok by. No cang kai tambah bukung baras cang tamsi kisah kebang. Tapi joton ta not only you but me cang joton tamsi kisah kebang but we should learn to play. Tangzak na simi atak cang bo.
Lepas humble, mana cang bari Borok mana bisa sekali tarikari.
Yeah.
Bisa betul tarikari bisa sekali.
We should be cang. Tapi kisah butuh orang ya, woi. Tapi kisah Borok memang tangai. Tapi cang sini diperasa kanan nak enggak ibong no insult kayak woi. Some criticize kali, but you should tell them like, okay, this is all mau saya ko enggak. I think if you can do it this way, this is much better. I think that's gonna be like amazing. But abong niya sini diperasa masa saya kayak cuma ni. Nah ini ya, terus ya.
So kok tu orang kami ni temennya, kami ni je kok ke, jadi tak kenal project kan kami tu, anak tu Borok artis orang ni collab kayak tu mana, orang beberapa nengana cini viewers nggak cuma begitu. Enlightenment helan kalau beberapa kayak sana itu.
Abuan, zoto kok tu saiman lah.
Jadi kan sama tahun asal sekali tu.
Cause collaboration play tomorrow, but first of all, like I started recording EP ni sih yang record ke, mixtape lo release like that's all like homemade recordings. Those are like, only like demos. Apa demo tape I say like original, mostly remix covers, and there are some originals also. Then features like mostly in BorokTV. So because they've given me platform, like I feature in almost all of their songs. When they want me to, I'm there. That's what we're supposed to. So I'll be with you. When I need you, you will be with me. Right? That's how we should be. So I was saying, mixtape to release. I started recording 2 years back. I was not perfect in this craft. I'm still learning. If you stop, you stop learning. You stop growing. So I started learning. I'm still learning that type of, but I started recording 2 years back. EP ni ang record play, EP mana extended play. Amo album bos ko ya, gaya single bong ya, gaya abo kesarota medium quantity songs. Ya, abon bagai ang record play mani, but EP record play it took me 2 years. So this year also antai se record play ya, but tak am se kaya record play ya that it's not EP anymore, abo album sing thang su, mana some more than extended play thang ada album ang release kaya mana. So mostly next year summer, abano gaya aro features tongo some of the youngsters lo tongo, but some of the one of the greatest rappers Jimmy bukong barang ni bo masa tongo bung to saiman lang aro abano ang hindi rekha apan sawan
Jing ni interview conclude kena sekarang kasi last question sing siya
obviously sure
ni live kuno special tongo hasut in relation or single
tongo kerihin sakit jol jol nasi let's see balai happen balai complicated there are a lot of issues but for now I'm kun sanam sing ya that's personal life I just want to keep like private and sanam sing ya but there's like a lot of things happening but I hope in the next couple of years the positivity will convert into
thank you so
thank you very much. If you like this video, do subscribe to this channel because I'm taking part. I'm not taking part. I'm taking over this show.
My job is in danger.
From now on, I will be the next show. So if you like this video, do let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. And do like this video because if you don't like this video, I'm not gonna like you. Okay, so do subscribe to the channel and let me know what you think about this.
Comment.
Yeah, and about this show, tea time talk. Well, I'm drinking tea. I had my time, and I had your time too. Guy, I'm singing. Tinin bagay. This is Borok, and this is our
Mr. Zwing. We are honored to have you to our show today. So thank you for watching this video. See you next time. Awalnya seneng lah bayangin buat yang teacher lo kayak nonton nih ya, ini production lo masa lo naik, ini yang tangki koreografi mah kayak movie itu baik kayak asal kayak kayak dong kau, itu handle baik kayak asal cuma exhaust kan ada nama baik, pasal juga mana cuma mana. Ini baik.
देसी होते वो जो देखे भारत माँ को एक तो बुलाओ मुझे